Hello and welcome to another edition of Ask E&S. Today we're in the kitchen to talk about how the latest in AI technology is transforming home cooking. Kitchen tech is evolving rapidly and we get asked a lot of questions on what are the latest cutting edge innovations. So let's get cooking with AI. Do I really need AI to help me cook dinner? You've probably already used AI to search for recipes or suggest meals based on what you have in the fridge. Now, you can use AI to really help you enjoy the process of creating amazing meals by removing all the worries of why your meals don't ever look as good as they do in the recipe. AI isn't taking over, it's more like having a sous chef right by your side. For beginners, AI is like a safety net to ensure perfect results every time. And for more confident cooks, it's a precision tool that calculates the exact steam and precise temperature levels to help take your cooking to a professional level. Will AI make my oven harder to use? AI Taste Assist by Electrolux is a great example of how smart technology can integrate seamlessly into your cooking and make everything easier. The recipe translator feature acts as a bridge between your favorite recipe and the oven in your kitchen. Simply send an online recipe to the oven via the Electrolux app, and AI Taste Assist analyzes it, then optimizes the suggested temperature, cooking time, function, and steam settings to suit your oven's capabilities. Rather than following a one-size-fits-all recipe, your oven is working with settings tailored to deliver the best possible result. Once cooking begins, the oven maintains consistent heat and in steam models introduces the right level of humidity to help deliver better texture, flavor, and finish. The result is less guesswork, more consistency, and a better chance of achieving the outcome the recipe promises. Will AI take over and make all the decisions for me? Think of Electrolux AI Taste Assist as an expert helping hand. AI can't replace your own taste. It can simply suggest the best way to optimize your recipe to your specific oven model, but you will always have the final control to tweak the temperature, adjust the browning level, and even override the timer directly from the app or the Electrolux Cook Smart Touchscreen. What happens if my Wi-Fi goes down? Am I locked out of cooking dinner? This is a common fear, but don't forget that your oven is an oven first and a smart device second. All the core functions like convection oven, grilling, and specialized precision steam cooking worked perfectly fine without the internet. You only need Wi-Fi for the remote perks, where the app talks to your oven, or if you want to download new recipes for the app. Will this additional software become obsolete in the years to come? It's actually the opposite. Traditionally, an oven's features don't change from the day you bought it. Now, because the 2026 range is connected, Electrolux can send over-the-air software updates. This means your AI Taste Assist can actually get smarter over time, with Electrolux adding new cooking programs and functionality long after the installation. I hope we've helped answer your questions about how AI is enhancing our use of steam ovens and combi ovens in the kitchen and helping us deliver perfectly cooked, nutritionally balanced, and beautiful looking meals. If you want to see more of the latest tech in the kitchen, visit an E&S showroom. Our kitchen specialists and steam oven experts are here to help. If you have any questions you want E&S to answer in another edition, ask us here. ens.com.au/questions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.